Hello guys, Ramen Teddy here. Today we are going to make rice cake, dumpling, ramen soup today. I'm originally from South Korea. Koreans eat rice cake, dumpling soup on Lunar New Year. And we are going to use this ramen soup base to make that. This is beef bone flavor noodle soup ramen. We need eggs, green onions, garlics, dumplings. I got them from Costco. If you go to Costco, there are a lot of BBGO dumplings. You can use whatever you like, pork, beef, or chicken. This is ribeye. I got it from Sam's Club. This is thin cut. And these are rice cakes, and definitely we need rice cake because this is rice cake soup noodle. I got them from H Mart, and please make sure you need to soak in the water for 30 minutes before cooking it. And sesame oil, and this is a soy sauce for soup. Yeah, please be careful. There are two kinds of soy sauce. Soy sauce for stir fry or you dip in something, but this is for only soup. And canola oil. This is anchovy fish oil. If you don't like fish oil, you don't need to add this, okay? And black peppercorn, salt, organic seaweed. I got it from Costco, and looks like there are a lot of Korean stuff at Costco nowadays, so you can get those stuff from Costco. Now, please cut ribeye steak 1 to 2 inch. Cut green onions, small pieces. And we are going to use green onions as a garnish and also in the soup. Pressure garlic. And separate yolk and egg white. We are going to fry separately. And mix yolk well and add canola oil and sesame oil together. We are going to cook beef first. Add beef and please cook fully. Then add half cup of water. Just half cup of water. Then add 1 spoon of soy sauce. And half spoon of anchovy fish oil. It's up to you. If you don't like fish oil, you don't need to add this. And then a little bit salt. And then shimmer. This shimmering is gonna make beef saltier and kind of make beef tasty this way. And in the meantime, we are going to fry eggs, and we already separate yolks and egg white and spread canola oil well and then spread out thin, and then yolk. So we cook separately, thin as possible, and then cut very thin. This is gonna be prettier if you cut really thin. We are going to use fried eggs as garnish. After shimmering 3 to 5 minutes, and please add 2 cups of water and boil it. Then add soup base. So this ramen's soup base is white color, made of beef bone soup, and mix them well. And you have to taste it. You know, saltiness is up to you. You can add more soy sauce, or you can add more salt. It's up to you. And then add dumplings. Then rice cakes. So a lot of dumplings are pre-cooked, but just you have to make sure if dumplings are not pre-cooked, you need to cook fully. And then add fresh garlic and half of green onions. I usually use only green part of green onions as garnish. The white part I usually just cook in the soup. And then add noodle. Noodle cook really quick, so you need to take out noodle first. And plating time. You can add fried eggs, green onions, seaweed, and black pepper here. But as you see, we don't see any red color. Koreans love spicy food, but this menu, rice cake, dumpling soup, is not spicy. And it shouldn't have any red color. Okay? Happy Lunar New Year. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.